Hi, it's me, Corrieon, and I'm gonna make some egg for breakfast. First this.
Just sprinkle a little. Let them know you're gonna sprinkle. Turn it this way. I'm gonna sprinkle a little.
I'm gonna sprinkle a little.
That's enough. Now, what is you using?
What is it?
Pepper, ground pepper.
I'm using brown pepper. Okay.
We use this side with the little holes. Aiden, quiet. Shh. 1, 2. Okay. You have to let them know what you're doing. Next, what we're gonna put in there?
Hot sauce.
How many dabs?
2 dabs. Okay, 1, 2.
And then oh, that was a lot. Okay. Now you're gonna stir it.
I'm gonna get it in the pot. Okay. Now I'm gonna let it sit for a little while until around it gets sticky. And then I'm gonna flip it over. Or is it already sticky?
No.
Later. Several bad puns later.
So I added some mustard and some seasoning salt. Sausage, hot dog, and some ribs for Mama. And
that's steak, honey.
Steak for Mama. And hot dogs and eggs for my little baby brother. And who is the sausage for?
You and Avion.
The sausage is for me and Avion.
Who's gonna make the plates?
I am. Food is done. And we finna say our grades. Now.
Everybody got to say their grades together.
God is good. God is great. Thank you for my food. Amen. And we done praying. Bye. I hope you like our channel, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.